Happy 4th of July, and I wanted to share a fun recipe for your garden to ward off the insects. All you need is 4 different essential oils: thyme, clove, rosemary, and peppermint. All you need is 5 drops of each, and get a 2-ounce bottle, spray bottle, mix with water, and you have yourself, just shake it up and start spraying these. As you can see in my garden, we have some potatoes, and see some of the critters that are crawling on there, and they're starting to put holes in the leaves. And if there's too many holes in there in the leaves, it's harder for the plant to thrive. So we want to spray our leaves and ward off these little critters. So here we go. There's an ant over here. I saw another whatever, but just give it a good spray, and do that at least once a day or so, when you think of it. So you can double the recipe too. You can also double this recipe and make it a 4-ounce spray bottle. I just didn't have one on hand. So you can do 10 drops each of the peppermint, rosemary, clove, and thyme. So happy 4th.